What's going on, guys? This is my unboxing of a third brake light for a 99 Dodge Ram 2500. If anybody has the 99 to 02, you know what I'm talking about, that shitty fluorescent third brake light that quits working after a while. And this is my LED third brake light with the smoked lens. I'm gonna unbox it real quick. It's just your plug and play third brake light with the cord, and there you go. With my Fueled by Haters sticker. It was only held on by 2 screws, and you can see that mine was cracked at the top and it was allowing water to get inside. So I was getting water into my truck somehow, and it's just, you know, held on by a clip, and you can tell that this just looks like complete shit. It's without the plastic on it. Looks pretty good quality. It already comes with a gasket. So let's hook it up and see what happens. And like I said, again, it's just simple plug and play. There's nothing, you know, too fancy about that. And there you have it. Third brake light installed. Now let's see if it works. And I installed my new dash yesterday. Looks pretty clean. Got that from Gino's Garage. Huh. Well, let's see how I'm gonna do this. Set the box right there. Set this right there. Yeah, we're gonna do it like this. See? Yeah. Got the cargo dome light. And that's it.